Welcome to this tutorial on how to turn on SMS notifications for friend suggestions on Facebook. If you're looking to stay updated about potential connections on Facebook via SMS, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Facebook home screen. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap the three horizontal lines. This will open a menu with various options. Scroll down through this menu until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then select Settings from the next screen. This will take you to the main settings area of your Facebook app. Now, scroll down to the Notifications section. Tap on it to access your notification settings. Here, you'll find a variety of options related to the types of notifications you receive from Facebook. Look for the People You May Know option and tap on it. This section controls the notifications you get about friend suggestions. You'll see options for how you want to receive these notifications, including push notifications, email, and SMS. To turn on SMS notifications for friend suggestions, simply toggle on the SMS option. You might need to confirm this action by tapping Turn On if prompted. Once you've done this, you'll start receiving SMS notifications whenever Facebook suggests new friends. This feature can be particularly useful if you want to stay connected with people you might know, even when you're not actively using the app. By enabling SMS notifications, you'll get updates directly to your phone, making it easier to manage your social connections on the go. That's it. You've successfully turned on SMS notifications for friend suggestions on Facebook. This simple tweak can enhance your Facebook experience by keeping you informed about potential connections without needing to constantly check the app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.